Good morning, friends, and happy Tuesday. I have been up since about 6:30 this morning getting myself together and ready. I have a nail appointment today. Brian has to go get his passport done today. I have to drop off stuff at the cleaners. I have to drop off stuff at my P.O. box, pick up stuff at my P.O. box. It's a busy morning, which is a perfect start to my busy week ahead. If you guys are new to following me, hello, welcome to my crazy Wonderland. And I'm gonna be going on a trip with my mother this Sunday. She and I are leaving for a couple of days. We're gonna be in Memphis touring Graceland, and we are gonna go to St. Louis for a couple of days, and then I will be dropping her back off on Wednesday, and then I am coming back home. So yeah, but this week I have packing to do, filming to do. I have 3 videos that I have to get up for you guys for when I'm gone next week, one of which will not be posted until Friday the 14th, because that is a special trip announcement, so that can't come out until that day. So, which I'm very excited to share all of that news with you guys. That's gonna be fun and exciting. But anyway, so yeah, I have a busy day ahead of myself here when I get home. Obviously, I've really kind of caught up on everything. I have like maybe, well, I take this back. I have probably 4 loads of laundry to do, 2 of which are sheets and 2 of which are still dark colored clothes, because I didn't wash anything up yesterday because we were gone for a little bit, and then we came home for a little bit, and then we left again and had like just kind of cooked out at our neighbor's house down the street, which was so like last minute. Nothing really, you know, nothing was fancy, nothing. It was no like big picnic at all. Like I said, it was a last minute thing. We decided to do this at like 12:30, and we went over there at like 3. So very last minute, but we had some food that we were gonna cook on the grill anyway, and then they had what they were gonna cook, so it just kind of worked out together. It just worked out well that we all just kind of pitched in and made it work. So it was really nice. But yeah, so I'm headed to go get my nails done right now, and then this is gonna be the start of my busy week. And I'm excited to go on the little trip with my mom. I'm excited because I'm gonna see some cousins that I haven't seen in a little while. We are only gonna have like 1 full day in the St. Louis area. So we have a crammed packed day full of activities and things that we want to go do, and that is where my mom was born and raised, was St. Louis, so I know she wanted to show me a few things as well. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to like cram in downtown or anything like that, which was the plan. But since I've shortened my trip with my mother and we're coming home Wednesday, it kind of like, you know, put a damper on some of those other plans that I kind of had, but it's not like a big deal. It's not a big deal at all. So yeah, so I'm gonna go get my nails done. I'm just gonna get the same old thing, probably my toes black, these shorter, and then white tips. So yeah, if you guys are excited to hang out with me, my hair is driving me crazy right now because it's like a short length, and the curl didn't work the way that I wanted it. There kind of goes a little bit, but curl is driving me bananas. So it's not like 70s anymore, but oh well. All right, I'll see you guys in the nail salon. Bye. Hey guys, so I am back from running my few errands that I needed to do, getting my nails done. I actually ended up going with black tips on my fingers and black toes. It's fall, I'm decorating for Halloween, and I just wanted them black, so that's what I did. So I am in my room now. I already had some lunch. I'm in my glam room right now, and I'm getting ready to sit down and do, I said 3 videos. I gotta remember which the third one is. That, and I can't remember what the third one is. Oops. But anyway, I'm gonna sit down and do some videos, and then that way those are up, edited, and ready to roll for next week. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yay for me. So excited about getting stuff done. I still need to run to Target, but I think I'll wait and do that towards the end of the week. I'm not real sure yet. I'll figure it out, but nonetheless, I gotta film videos. Oh my gosh, you guys, I feel so like overwhelmed with all of the stuff that I'm trying to go through and use for decoration. I actually just need to sit down and really decide, like, if I'm gonna need it, if I'm gonna use it, if I'm gonna keep it, if I'm gonna share it, if I'm gonna give it away, whatever, because there's just so much of it that I just don't know if I need all of it. I'm so like overwhelmed. And then I'm gonna start packing as well. Well, Brian's stuff is already pretty much picked out because he picked it out all out the other day. I just have to kind of figure out what I'm gonna be wearing while I'm with my mom next week. I did stop off at TJ Maxx earlier while I was out and picked up some more hangers, and then I did go to my P.O. box and picked up my stuff, but I can't show you what I got because it has to do with my big, huge announcement that's coming next Friday. So be sure that you guys are subscribed to my Adventures in Wonderland channel because I have a huge announcement coming out on Friday the 14th. You guys have to watch it. Don't forget. Set your clock, set your alarm, go over and subscribe, make sure you get the notification buttons because I have a huge announcement coming on that day on that channel for you guys to watch. And that's why I can't share with you guys what I got in my P.O. box because it's a surprise and it would give it away. But I'm actually kind of watching a little bit of the Tanya Harding thing again. I've been watching the movie while I'm trying to go through all of this stuff. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and actually end the vlog here. I know that it's not very exciting and nothing really happened today except for all of this mess behind me. Ooh. But I really need to sit down and focus on that. And I did get my other videos done, so I really need to, you know, start working on this mess to get this at least cleaned up and somewhat organized before I leave on Saturday. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in Wonderland. Bye.